like worst case scenario. You always hate it. We know it's a part of racing. It's going to happen from time to time. You just hope it's not you or one of your buddies. And you really hope it's not you and your buddy side by side and both cars get destroyed. It sucks that Brian, destroyed his car. But luckily we got out and my car did not get destroyed. And that's what he was saying. He's like, all he could see is he was ahead of me. He killed me. He had a 008 light and I had a 047, which is respectable, but not great. And then he had a 121 60 foot and I had a 130 60 foot. So he was out on me. I grabbed the scramble button. He was coming right to my side, and I guess that's about when the scramble kicked in and I was able to, kind of power away so he didn't clip me in the back. Because it sucks. We got one race car we got to rebuild. It would have sucked to have two race cars we had to rebuild. But it is what it is. We're going to push forward. The car is going to get rebuilt. I'm going to set up a GoFundMe account. If you guys wanted to donate, we're super budget racers, so it's just one of those things. I mean, racing is a hobby, but if anybody ever wanted to pitch in, I'm going to set up a GoFundMe account. And if y'all wanted to pitch in, that would be greatly appreciated.
Both these cars have that strange sound to them. Ryan in the left side, John Phillips in the right.
No, I didn't even know he wrecked. I threw my parachute real late. I was on the right in the grass.
How do you find the video?
It's like
Here, I'll find a minute. Oh my God! Did it catch on fire too? Here, let's take the hood and stuff off so we can get it pushed back. We got to
you want a screwdriver?
it needs a Allen wrenches. Yeah. Will you go get one real fast? Oh, okay. Grab it.
Hold on.
Take, look. I'm gonna have to
Throw it over there.
Somebody grab a Phillips screwdriver.
Anybody got a Phillips?
Put a light.
Phillips screwdriver.
Is that Zeus or Phillips?
Where's the Zeus tool?
Brian, who's got the Zeus tool?
That's like worst case scenario. I mean, you know, two buddies racing each other, and you know the great fear of wrecking both cars. I mean, you know, even wrecking one. Said the car was going straight, and then it just hooked the left, and I guess it didn't come back behind me and smacked the wall over there. Bro, that sucks.
I was watching you go by. I'm like, please get around me.
Bro, you were out there, and I grabbed the scramble. I mean, that's why I grabbed the scramble. I'm glad I did.
On it, but I didn't get it.
I grabbed mine. Dude, are you freaking kidding?
I got out the groove.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. But there's oil on the track. So
And so when it went over there,
I'm not sure if it come out the car or what.
all right. If you got in your own stuff. God, this sucks.
It didn't have but 3/4 of a gallon in it anyway. So it's not gonna burn.
By the time it
Yeah, we're gonna figure out how to get them. What do you need in the black car?
no, his trailer. There's
Love
one
you.
trailer they have.
Pop that tire.
Love you, Maggie.
Yeah, this one's not the whole
He's got a
car
winch in
and
there.
everything
He's got a
knocked off
winch.
on this side.
I bet it hit the wall down there hard.
Yeah, it was pretty solid. I mean, it practically nose straight in almost.
They had there were parts from all
Yeah, pretty much ricochet.
There you go.
All right, guys. Y'all take care. We'll see y'all soon. Thanks.